Mina no nihongo N4 Lesson 29 Part 2 Vocabulary 1. Hazuremasu, be undone, come off. Botan ga hazuremashita, the button has come off. Second, tomarimasu, stop, park. Iriguchi no mae de kuruma ga tomatte arimasu. There is a car parked at the entrance. Third, machigaimasu, make a mistake. Sumimasen, michi o machigaimashita kedo, cheese wo kitte kuremasen ka? Excuse me, I think I got the wrong way. Could you please draw me a map? Fourth, otoshimasu, to drop, to lose. Dokuka de saifu o otoshita shimatta. I think I dropped my wallet somewhere. Fifth, kakarimasu, be locked. Kagi ga kakatte iru so desu. Doa ga akanai desu. It seems like the door is locked. The door won't open. Sixth, fukimasu, to wipe. Teburu o fuite kudasai. Could you please wipe the table? Seventh, torikaimasu, change. Tenchi o torikaimashita. I changed the batteries. Eighth, katazukemasu, tidy up, put things in order. Sukue o katazukemashita ka? Did you tidy up your decks? Ninth, osara, plate. Gohan ga dekite iru kara osara o narabete kudasai. The food is really good, so please set the plates. 10th, o chawan, rice bowl. Kono chawan ikura desu ka? How much is rice bowl for? Grammar point, en place ni ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu. The particle ni can also be used with ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu. Ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu can be used with either place a or place ni. Example, dokuka de saifu o otoshite shimattan desu. Sore wa taihen desu ne. Sugoku koban ni ikanai to. It seems that I have dropped my wallet somewhere. That's not good. We must go to the police box right away.